He gonna know. I'm gonna make sure he knows. So it's not gonna be an easy task. Every time you come before him, he gonna you wasting my time. I'm tired of looking at you. What do you want? I'm not. They're my people. Your people are my people, and I'm not letting them go. And so the Most High is letting Moses know he ain't gonna want to let y'all go. He's gonna keep y'all there forever if he can, and if he could, he would. But I'm not gonna allow that to happen. Verse 20, and I shall stretch out my hand and strike Mizraim with all my wonders, and I shall do it in its midst. And after that he shall let you go. So the Most High is letting Moses know, look, it ain't gonna be easy, because Pharaoh ain't gonna understand what you're saying, and he ain't gonna want to let y'all go. That's the bottom line. But after I get through showing all my wonders, oh, he's gonna let you go. Don't worry about it. I got this. Verse 21, and I shall give this people favor in the eyes of the Mizrahites, and it shall be that when you go, you shall not go empty-handed. And so the Most High is continuing to encourage Moses and say, look, this is going to happen. And so I want to encourage all of the 12 tribes of Israel today, wherever we're situated or located or scattered. We're all scattered throughout the earth. The Most High sees us. He knows what we're going through. He understands. He's going to send Yahushua, Jesus, to deliver us out of our captivity. The world, the ruling class, if you only know how much more they live above us. And some of us are doing well, but most of us are still struggling. But when the Most High comes to deliver us, oh, whatever we want, we can take, because we ain't going to leave here empty-handed. The same way it is then is the same way it's going to be when he comes back. Verse 22, but every woman shall ask from her neighbor and from the stranger in her house objects of silver, objects of gold, and garments. And you shall put them on your sons and your daughters, and shall plunder the Mizrahites. And so the same thing is going to happen when Yahushua comes to deliver us. All the stuff that they've taken away from us, they got to return it. Because when they brought us over here, they stripped us of everything. They took it away from us. So when we get ready to leave out, when the Most High come to get us, whatever we want, we can take. Because they took it all from us. So they got to restore to us triple, double, 100 times what they took from us. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Shalom.